language na never nilang na-express fully. Yung mga what could have been nila, mga what ifs nila, will be here to be the representation of your what could have been.
Okay, having said that, before I move on to her next question, kayo yung mga kabataan ngayon, you think this is effective? Is the message getting across? Rain.
Absolutely. I feel like this is a risk we took, and I don't want to ever regret it. We don't regret it. One thing that I really love, it started with such good reassurance. Within stepping onto tapings, shooting dates, we have each other. We know, alam namin na hindi ka nagdadaanan ko or kakagaling lang ito ng iyak. Pero support system po talaga kami. And this is not only women, it's also men supporting women. It's about showing that there is harmony with that, that even with all the gaps we have in society, we can close that with Misbehave. We can show them that we can also be entertained as well while watching.
Andy, ikaw, sa tingin mo effective, talaga nakakarating sa mga kabataan yung mensaheng nais iparating?
Yes, I think so because I feel like Misbehave talks about the ugly truth about trauma. The
Hindi madalas sa pag-uusapan.
Yeah, you know, kasi, well, gets naman why some people, some victims are not really confident about talking about these traumas. It's because society doesn't accept it the way we expect it to be accepted. These victims were pushed away, they were shamed. So how can they have that safety or like that peace to confidently share this piece of them to other people? And with Misbehave, I hope that's what we really try to do. I hope that this show would actually encourage people to accept it more, to be a little bit more patient and understanding when it comes to the traumas that we all experience.
It takes that one little big step, actually. Ganun siya, no? Okay, next question ni Chetty Grace. To any of the cast, how important is trust and friendship tackled in the series? Gaano kahalaga yung, sige Ray, gaano kahalaga yung pagkakaibigan na pinag-usapan dito? Sisterhood, you mentioned.
Yeah, sisterhood. I feel like we weren't doing this just for a character and to act it out. It's real. It's the bond that we created off cam. That's what we really created towards each other. And I feel like that's what we should always have within everyone, whether it's professional or personal. We should have that trust towards each other. Because I feel like there's always still hope. This is grounded on hope. The story was written on hope that we can, prove everyone that there's a safe space pa rin talaga in the world.
Tsaka, speaking of trust and friendship, most of the time, kaya rin naman may mga victims na ganito kasi trust and friendship yung unang hindi nila mahanap sa kanya-kanya nilang mga bahay. Kaya madalas yung mga ganitong publicly na nadedehumanize or parang napapahiya or talagang yung dignity nila nawawala. Madalas nagsisimula talaga sa bahay. Madalas kasi nagsisik yung isang tao ng validation, ng trust na never naibigay sa sariling bahay, ng friendship na never nahanap sa sariling pamilya. Kaya hinahanap nila sa mga tao, hindi naman sila tinatrato ng tao. So ganon kalala at ganon din katotoo namin itatakel dito sa story, dito sa series, na it's not going to be just about the moods, it's not going to be just the drama. May depth, may pinagagalunan at makikita natin bakit, saan nanggaling, paano.
Sai, Alexa, JC, I have a question for the three of you. In this industry, can you still find real friendship and can you still trust people?
I thought that would be impossible, but I'm happy to share, yes, you can. Yeah.
You still have real friends?
I do.
You still trust people in the industry?
I do. And I guess that's also the price you pay for loving someone. There's always going to be that risk. And being able to love at the end of the day is still a risk worth taking.
Good answer. Sai, can you still find real friends and trust people in this industry?
For me kasi real friends doesn't have to be found. Para sa akin, ako na lang yung magiging real friend sa ibang tao. It doesn't matter kung ma-reciprocate or hindi. As long as I kept being real as their friend, okay na yun. Kung maabuso man o hindi ko kailangan baguhin or isara yung puso ko dahil lang may